Good afternoon, St. Pete. This is Mayor Rick Kriseman joining you once again from our Emergency Operations Center with an update on COVID-19 in our county and here in our city. I want to begin by giving you the facts on the ground here in our community. There are now nearly 12,000 confirmed cases of COVID-19 in Pinellas County. 262 people have lost their lives. There have been 5,114 confirmed cases here in St. Petersburg. Now, one of the key measuring sticks we look at is our 2-week rolling average of positive percentages. And looking at this 2-week average helps us get a bigger picture of the situation and not overreact or underreact to a single day's data or any outlier data. Now, after spiking upward, we are seeing our county's 2-week average begin to come down just a little bit, even as the state of Florida's data continues to alarm many of us. We're encouraged by some recent trends. For 4 days in a row, we had data showing less than 10% positivity here locally, and just a tick of 10% today, a tick above. Our hope is we are beginning to see the benefits of our mask mandate, and our goal is to ultimately see our percentages fall below 5%. I also want to encourage all counties and cities in Florida to adopt some sort of mask mandate. This is especially important in light of a lack of a statewide mandate. If county commissioners and mayors do the right thing, we don't necessarily need the governor to issue the order. Of course, we'd love him to do so, but at least on the state or city and county level, we can do it. Now, I know many of you are also interested in local hospital capacities, as are we. So here's the data related to that. There are 558 beds available in Pinellas County. 272 beds are available in St. Pete. There are 46 ICU beds available in Pinellas, and about half of those are here in St. Pete. State testing for COVID-19 continues at the Mahaffey Theater today, and that site is open Tuesday through Saturday from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. And so far, we've tested about 3,300 people at that location. Now, not surprisingly, the wait time is the longest in the mornings. So if you want to give yourself the best chance at a shorter time, get tested in the afternoon or in the evening, whether you have symptoms or not. This will help to keep St. Pete safe. And speaking of safety, I also want to take a moment today to thank those of you who have visited our new St. Pete Pier over the past week, but especially those who did so by adhering to best practices like wearing your mask when near others, maintaining your social distancing, washing your hands when you had an opportunity to do so. But again, even wearing your mask outdoors. And we want you to continue to do this, please. Being outdoors reduces the chance of this virus spreading, but taking the extra step of wearing a mask outside or when near others, that's the St. Pete way, and it's the right thing to do. I also want to thank those who are peacefully protesting for increasing their mask usage. Nice to see a lot more masks on those folks. As we work to build a more equitable society, let's also work to promote and protect the health and well-being of our society. And finally, I want to again remind you to think local when you need to shop. Amazon will be just fine when this is all over, but our small independent businesses may not be. They're struggling. Let's help them out. This is a tough time. Go online. You don't have to go to Amazon to do your shopping online. Go to one of our local stores and buy something online if you're not comfortable going into the store itself. If you need a refresher on what St. Pete and Pinellas County has to offer in terms of local goods, please visit localshops1.com or keep St. Petersburg, local.com. Both websites have helpful directories. And you can also support our local businesses by ordering takeout. Again, if you're worried about eating indoors at one of our amazing restaurants, just do takeout and eat their delicious food at home. Now, by now, all of us should know the positive impact that a dollar has locally on our economy. And so we need to do everything we can to help all of our local businesses. Let's do our best to keep our money here in St. Pete. Now, normally I, at this point in time, would say, Yolanda, I'm ready for the questions from our media, but today there are no questions. So I'm going to wrap up my comments today by telling you this. Let's keep it up, St. Pete. Let's keep our masks on. Let's keep our distance from each other. Let's be smart. Let's be kind. We're all in this together, and we'll all get out of this by working together. Talk to you all again soon. Thank you.